Hello, trading is closed on March the 3rd, 2015. I'm Tennant. I didn't have a call for today. I did see the wall into the close, but I thought it was a bit risky to make a prediction based on it. We got the typical gap down one sees after a wall. I have had this 2103.10 target on radar since Monday of last week, and that finally printed, and there was support under it. Remember, we have about 3 failed ultimate targets since the summer of 2002 out of close to 2,000 targets. There's a new target of 2103.62 based on the mejt system, and that's my call for tomorrow. Based on where futures are now, it shouldn't be too hard to see that. Well, during the day, mejt said ultimately lower prices would print, which they did. It says this rally is a false move and gives us a target of 2103.62. Well, as far as mejt calls go, that's the prediction. But let's look at some other stuff. We had a gap down, a series of lower lows, and couldn't hold on to any of them. More importantly, we finally traded under all these lows from the whole consolidation and couldn't hold on to any of those lows either. Unless this late rally is reversed promptly, ideally by having a gap under this low or gapping down and taking it out promptly, the odds favor higher prices at some point during the day. A reasonable target is to overtake this high, because typically when there's a wall and a hole in the wall, a gap, typically what happens is the gap fills, we overtake the high of the wall and find resistance at that area. It's even possible we could have a straight line move up to that target, because this is a stilt. Here's half a diamond, which is enough. We don't have to have a stilt up, but it happens a high percentage of the time. So we have an interesting pattern for tomorrow. We have a lower target. That's my call. But if we don't take out this low promptly, then based on factors outside the mejt system, we could have a rally over this high. And at the very least, we should trade higher than today's close, and perhaps quite a bit higher. And that's today's call.